Black Guy Flies RC out here, coming to you from the Avon Park Aero Model Club. We're going to take up Sharky, the FMS 80mm integral. Going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to do a little bit of speed run. Got a 6S 4000 Sokokin. Right, left, up, down, right, left.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps, flaps up.
All right. Winds out of the east. We'll go down here. Now this is not a high alpha type plane. You want to bring her in with just like a Viper, just a slight flare right before you touch down. All right, she does not have reverse thrust. Timer set for 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Here we go. Got a little feel for her now. You can see that's hands off. All right, I'll come back. Gonna turn towards me. All right, full speed with the wind. Level flight. That should give me my speed run right there.
Gear down.
All right.
Landing flaps.
This is actually one of the very good flying jet. All right.
Flaps up.
All right. Let's stop real quick and see what kind of speed we had. All right, so we're going to stop. Hit read. All right, we had her up to 535 feet and 115 miles an hour. Okay, so let's get one more. See if we can't increase that speed just a little bit. Now this is second half of the flight for the battery, so may not get that 115, but we're going to give it a shot. Here we go. All right, I'm going to take her up, flip her. All right.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Yeah, that's a good flying jet right here. Don't like that. We'll go a little further out.
Flaps up.
All right. There we go. Kept her on a runway.
30 seconds.
All right, folks. Well, there you go. Let's check the battery and see how much life we have left. We had 29 seconds left out of a 3 minute and 50 second timer. See what kind of juice is left in the tank. 14%, so certainly can't go up again. Perfect storage rate though. All right, folks. Well, there you go. Actually, I'd like to have a little bit further up, but more like a 20%. But that is the FMS 80mm integral. Otherwise, I call it Sharky. And the shark face and eyes are some I've added. That don't come with it. Well, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then jets called Sharky. Bye-bye.